On a bright summer morning, the friends, Al, Candace, Noah, and Binta, gathered by the shore of Loch Ness in Scotland, buzzing with excitement. It was their first time canoeing, and their guide, Grandpa Joe, was ready to teach them everything. Canoeing is not just about paddling, Grandpa Joe said with a grin. It's about teamwork, balance, and enjoying nature. The kids grabbed their life jackets and paddles. Grandpa Joe showed them how to sit properly, hold their paddles, and work together. Who's ready for the first challenge? He asked. Challenge 1, the paddle race. Each pair, Al with Binta and Candace with Noah, raced across the loch, paddling in sync. At first, Binta's canoe spun in circles because she paddled too hard on one side. Let's work together, Al reminded her, and soon, they glided smoothly across the water. Challenge 2, find the hidden treasure. Grandpa Joe had hidden a floating bottle with a map inside. Use your eyes and teamwork, he called out. The kids paddled around, scanning the water. Suddenly, Candace shouted, "There it is!" They steered carefully, grabbed the bottle, and followed the map to a tiny island where a picnic awaited them. A mysterious ripple. As they sat on the island, munching on their sandwiches, a deep ripple spread across the water. Did you see that? Noah whispered, eyes wide. Then, bloop! A long neck popped out of the water, followed by a friendly pair of eyes. It's Nessie! Binta gasped. The legendary Loch Ness Monster looked at them curiously, then playfully splashed the water with her tail, sending a tiny wave their way. The kids laughed, splashing back with their paddles. Nessie gave a deep, rumbling sound, almost like a chuckle, before disappearing under the water with one last friendly ripple. Did we just play with Nessie? Earl asked in awe. I think we did. Candace grinned. Fun bonus, splash battle. Still giggling from their Nessie encounter, they started a friendly canoe splash battle, sending small waves at each other. As the sun set over Loch Ness, they paddled back, feeling proud and happy. That was the best adventure ever, Noah said. Grandpa Joe smiled. That's the magic of canoeing, teamwork, adventure, and surprises. And from that day on, the four friends became the best canoeing team in Scotland, and the only ones to ever have a water fight with Nessie. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.